Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best paint strippers. Whether you're tackling a big renovation project or just giving your space a fresh look, choosing the right paint stripper can be a game changer. So if you're ready to strip away the old and make room for the new, don't go anywhere. Let's get started on this paint stripping adventure together. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth paint stripper in our list is the Max Strip Professional Strength Paint, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 3-badge rating. Are you tired of struggling with stubborn paint and varnish on various surfaces? Well, look no further. The Max Strip Professional Strength Paint is here to make your life easier. This powerhouse of a product is designed to tackle a wide range of coatings including paint, latex, polyurethane, shellac, varnish, acrylic, oil-based coatings, and more. And the best part? It usually gets the job done in a single application. That means less time and effort wasted. Now let us tell you, this paint stripper is a game changer in the truest sense. It doesn't resort to harsh chemicals like methylene chloride or NMP. It's user-friendly, which means it's ideal for both seasoned painting pros and everyday DIY enthusiasts. Just spread it on, set your timer for 15 minutes, and when it's time, it comes off easily with a simple scrape. No headaches, no hassle. Plus, there are no harsh fumes or unpleasant odors to worry about, making it ideal for use in confined or small spaces. However, please note that the paint stripper is not designed for removing deck coatings, factory finishes, or baked-on coatings like fecal paint. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, those looking for a paint stripper with low odor that's completely fume-free. The fourth paint stripper on our list is the Motsenbocker's Lift-Off Latex Paint Remover, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Are you tired of struggling with stubborn latex paint on various surfaces? Well, this latex paint remover is here to save the day, and it does it safely. It is armed with a patented, water-based EnviroScience formula that can effectively remove both old and new latex paints, acrylics, latex enamels, stencil paints, and more. Here's the real magic. It's not picky about where it works. This versatile solution is like a superhero for fiberglass, tools, carpet, brake, upholstery, spray equipment, brushes, clothing, vehicles, and a whole lot more. So when those pesky paint spots decide to play hide-and-seek, you've got a trusty sidekick in this remover. Now let's talk safety. The paint remover is your safer alternative to harsh chemicals like methylene chloride. It's water-based, biodegradable, and boasts low VOCs. That's a win for you and the environment. But it doesn't stop there. It isn't just about stripping paint, it's also fantastic for paint cleanup. As the name suggests, this product is primarily designed for latex paint removal. While it may work on some acrylics and latex enamels, it may not be as effective on other types of paints, such as oil-based paints or specialty coatings. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a paint stripper with a safe and reliable formulation. The third paint stripper on our list is the Klean Strip Premium Stripper, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. First off, it's fast-acting and non-toxic. No more waiting around for hours. This bad boy gets to work in just 15 minutes. And the best part? It doesn't contain nasty stuff like methylene chloride. It has come up with a patent-pending formula that's not only faster but also less toxic, creating safer working conditions for you. But what really sets this paint stripper apart is its sheer power. It's the heavyweight champion when it comes to tackling the toughest jobs. We're talking about stripping away multiple layers of both latex and oil-based paints without breaking a sweat and without damaging your precious surfaces. And now let's talk versatility. This stuff isn't just for paints, it's a multi-surface magician. It can make polyurethane, epoxy, varnish, and shellac disappear from wood, metal, and masonry surfaces with ease. And here's the icing on the cake. It's not only economic but also incredibly effective. You won't need to buy multiple products for different applications anymore. The single powerhouse does it all, and it keeps delivering results for the long haul. Like many paint strippers, Klean Strip Premium Stripper can emit a strong chemical odor. Proper ventilation and personal protective equipment are recommended when using this product to mitigate the effects of the door. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, those looking for a paint stripper with a fast-acting and non-toxic formula. The second paint stripper on our list is the Smart Strip Advanced Paint Remover, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. Get ready to have your mind blown by the Smart Strip Advanced Paint Remover. Let's cut straight to the chase with a standout feature of this paint remover. It can peel away up to a jaw-dropping 15 layers of paint and coatings in one go. Yes, you heard that right. Acrylic, latex, oil, water-based paints, varnishes, stains, and coatings all fall before the might of the Smart Strip. No more struggling with stubborn layers. It's a one-application wonder. Now here's what really sets it apart. It's easy to use without resorting to caustic chemicals like methylene chloride or NMP. Just apply it to the surface, kick back for a bit, and then effortlessly remove the gooey mess with a scraper or pressure washer. But wait, it gets even better. This isn't some run-of-the-mill product. It's trusted by painting professionals worldwide. Think restoration projects on historic buildings, government facilities, entertainment venues, and homes. This paint stripper has been there, done that, and nailed it every time. And here's the best part. It's not just for the pros. DIYers, this is your go-to tool. It's powerful enough for painting contractors and restorers, but it's user-friendly enough for all your home projects. That's why they say, do it yourself with Dummont. Unlike some fast-acting paint removers, this paint stripper may require a longer application time. Users need to apply it and wait for up to 24 hours before scraping or pressure washing. This extended waiting period can be inconvenient for those looking for quick results. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a paint stripper that works on a staggering variety of surfaces. The best paint stripper in our list is the Citristrip Paint and Varnish Stripping Gel, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded a 5-batch rating. Say hello to hassle-free paint and varnish stripping with the Citristrip Paint and Varnish Stripping Gel. First and foremost, it's all about ease of use. Citristrip has designed the stripping gel to be user-friendly and efficient, making your paint and varnish removal tasks a breeze. But here's where it truly shines. It stays wet and active for up to a whopping 24 hours. That means you can tackle multiple layers of paint and varnish in a single step. There's no more waiting around or applying the product repeatedly. Next, let's talk about its versatility. Citristrip is a pro at removing dried latex and oil-based paint, varnish, lacquer, polyurethane, and shellac. Whether you're dealing with wood, metal, or masonry surfaces, it's got you covered. And the best part, it's formulated without methylene chloride or NMP, making it a safer choice for you in the environment. No nasty chemicals, no harsh fumes, just effective paint and varnish removal. While it excels at removing many types of finishes, extremely stubborn or old finishes may require additional applications or mechanical methods for complete removal. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, those looking for a paint stripper with multi-surface compatibility. And there you have it, folks, our best paint strippers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next paint stripper roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.